Hi, and a warm welcome to my channel. And let's start. So, I'm starting this with few file pages. You have to cut them out according to your own size, whatever you want the size for your notebook, and then make sure to attach few white pages in front and also on the back. Likewise, I'm using 5 to 6 on the front and then 6 to 7 at the bottom, but my notebook is kind of thick, so I've divided it into two parts, and I'm gluing it and using a special binding technique from Binding Studio. And I really love their creation. They make really perfect things, so you can check that out. This is not promotion, of course, but I really love their channel. I will drop the link below on the description. You can check that out. And I know the binding part can be a little tricky because it does require patience, a lot of glue, and of course a lot of strength when you're actually cutting those the segments. Yeah, I'm doing it, so it really took me a lot of strength. And you can take the help of your elders if you want to, and it would be easy if you divide your pages in two parts and then attach them when you're binding it with the thread. Here I'm using a really normal thread, but you can use any thread, but make sure it's kind of tough so it holds your notebook back at their place. Yeah, so you can use threading thread, or I don't know, crochet thread or yarn or wool, anything, but make sure it's perfect. Okay, so you have to tie it down together, and yeah, make sure to follow whatever the videos say. Make sure you can watch the tutorial on their channel, because if you get any confusion related to the binding technique, you can even comment down and I will reply, definitely. In the next part, we are just going to apply the final glue on the after this tying the thread part. You have to just apply glue all over the edges and leave it covered with polythene sheet, and you have to cover it up and let it dry for mine took 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, and after that you can just prepare, while it's drying, you can prepare the cover and other things for your notebook. Now for the next move, I'm using few folded sheets of chart paper. I'm using the pink one. You can get any of the color you want, and then you can just like stick it with the glue, and make sure you apply a lot of glues in there, because you really need them to hold it in a place. Okay, now I'm using the reinforcement paper, and of course you need to apply a lot of glues in there, because it is going to be a really necessary step. You should definitely not skip it, because it will actually give the additional strength it needs. Okay, okay, so now we are making the cover for our journal, and here I'm using few cardboard pieces. I've got it from old box. I had this old cardboard box and I've managed to cut it in few pieces. Okay, never mind my flower sticker on the corner, and you can like adjust the sizes according to your notebook, and we have to like apply the really well colored pages. And then for extra details, I've made a little like rectangle on the left side, and I've applied a little plastic sheet there, because it will be our a place where I can add my photos or any of the pages to make it look extra good. And then we are of course applying the glue, so we can stick our final products, our final binding stuffs together right here. Yeah, so you have to be really careful while doing this, because you need to make sure that everything is aligned, and you have to like leave the notebook for few minutes before doing anything, so the glue gets dried and it all stick up perfectly. Okay, so this is how you should do it. And I'm really sorry for the imperfection right here, but I'm still learning, and I'll make sure to handle it, because sometimes we all get kind of messy. So then I'm also using this really beautiful picture of a supernova. I really loved it. I got it from Pinterest, and I've got the printout from my nearest color print store. And to decorate it further, I've also added a little sheet of blue. You can get like a further decoration according to your own needs, because it's really important for you to add your own details and add your own creativity, whatever you want. So I really loved this, this 2026 photo one. My sister made it for me, and I love it. Surely it's so beautiful. And next I'm also adding a little pearls, like a little garland of pearls. It will give extra touch to our journal. And now we are doing our overview. It surely took a lot of time and lot of hard work from me, but the results are worth it. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Just make it if you really want to make it, because it's really easy, guys. And when you will write in your own journal, you will feel amazing. yeah, it feels amazing to work with your own creation. So that's all. I will love if you share your feedbacks on the comments. I really love when you drop some sweet words or any questions in my comment. It feels like a conversation with a friend. So make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.